Hello and welcome back to How to Geek Studios. I'm Grizz and today we've got a cool gadget to help streamline your productivity. From Elgato, it's the Stream Deck Neo, an input device and workflow automator for your Mac or PC. Let's take a look. First up, a bit of safety and warranty info, and then the Stream Deck Neo itself. With 8 buttons on the face, and a hinge stand, a hardwired USB-C cable attached, and no slip grip on the bottom. It's a simple plastic construction but feels sturdy enough. What you would expect right around the $100 retail mark, and a QR code on the box to get you started, with links to download the required Stream Deck software. So to use the Stream Deck, I simply plug it into my Mac, and with the software already preloaded, it immediately recognized the device. It's got 8 customizable keys that help you automate tasks and manage your apps, plus an info bar in the middle so you can tap between different key layouts. There are presets, of course, like launching the Finder or launching apps and websites, but you can also customize the macros using the software and assign buttons on the Stream Deck for each task. In my opinion, the Stream Deck software is really the star of the show, with really no limit to the automation presets you can create. And it's really intuitive with drag and drop programming, so you don't need to be a coder to figure it out. And there you have it, from Elgato, the Stream Deck Neo. Be sure to check out our full review for all of the details, and while you're at it, why not subscribe to the How to Geek newsletter for all the latest in tech gadget goodness. Thanks for watching. For How to Geek, this is Grizz, signing off.